mo bibi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Mahama Abbey. A lot of people are looking forward to obeying Crawford to say Jane Mensa every ho. Now, one other person and Crawford so kase Mahama and the Chief Justice. Now, Chief Justice na Mahama be no emra. Now, me pese ye ko emra ni mu. Ni ye ko he the processes are se Mahama pese wo ye Chief Justice are obe go through. Ni ehu ne say within the 4 years no Mahama betumi aye say djuma na say NDC 4 person mu ye Chief Justice ne kra na. Ye he Ghana mremu na omo wo gina so a wo mo betumi die yi sa Chief Justice. And that was first time I subscribe and I click the notification bell on so. We hear the latest news be about one sa ebekan. So let's go through the removal of the Chief Justice from office. And you see this in the Constitution, Article 146, 167, 146, 1, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Now, I say the president must receive a petition for the removal of the Chief Justice. Into the first process, no, and it said, I was saying Mahama a receive petition. Into petition, it could come from anywhere. A bit to me, I melodies, a bit to me, I would team me, Ubia, where you gun in Ibia, or betron crata, no, the Aquacoma Mahama. Say, Chief Justice, no say, ni say, na why. Assembia would be no say, ni say. In Sembia, or can ye say, ni say, Mimi Susu say, or Ghana and Dana Comaso. Mimi Susu say, Mamma, wo ye MPP ni. Mimi Susu say, Mamma, no, when ya Ghana and Ghana bebo. Into the Mahama, So the first process, no. And ya Mahama, and I was a woko, and ye will be Obiakeke, Ghana ni biakeke. Ebe to me a tron crata. Now I shall see a petition Mahama. No or catch Mahama say, Chief Justice won Then the Pacono convincingly actual reasons, ama evidence dear NTR, Osusu say Mahama ye Chief Justice no. Into more Moka say Mahama won ye Chief Justice in ye Chief Justice no. I hope say you follow through the process and start the petition. The second point, and they say, the president appoints a committee in consultation with the Council of State. Into petition, no koko do Mahama anymore. Na Mahama kase okay. Petition abase minye Chief Justice. Na was say me seti committee. Into Mahama be seti committee. Committee no Council of State in penyimfo a eboa Mahama ne ema ne bu aban no. Omo ena twese mbetena se adwen na twese omo atena petition so mbe set committee no mo atena se na omo adwen petition no eho omo ahwe won krata nimu no mo hu se ensem a wode aba evidence ni bibia no ewo ginanso nti anu hu nti yen hyaase nti the committee no it is constituted with 2 justices na committee na Mahama was set no was say wode judges mienu eka ho was say what the judges mienu eba beka committee no eho enti no no we are not say of the Supreme Court one of whom shall be appointed chair and 3 other members who are neither members of COS, MPs nor lawyers. Enti committee na Mahama be set no. Judges are one free Supreme Court mienu. Bakun ene be chairman committee no eso. Ye we are ni afa enkrofo miensa asa enkrofo miensa no omonye MPs enye lawyers. Ne de omon so ayeden aba beka committee ne ho. No misusu said denti omo ye understand say maybe the lawyers might have some affinity towards the Chief Justice or something. So mo feel say yemfa neutral people almost here Ghana for well-meaning Ghanaians. Now, the fourth one, they say, the committee will inquire and send recommendations to the president on the Chief Justice's removal. Into committee no better nase. Now, why would the petition ne buy no? Omo afrel. Now, why ba betre won semwano? No more yenhwehwemu. Na Chief Justice no. Ono nso say ye be frɛ no nso aba betre ne semwano. Na committee ni wi a no more the recommendations na kwa President Mahama. Say Mahama yi no kware ensem a ye kan fa Chief Justice ni hu ni na ye hu ni say eye no kware eno hu nti yino ana say ensem a asomesi obenten ebe kan fa Chief Justice ni hu ni na no ye hu ni say no kware bi anim nti men yino To the recommendations be kwa Mahama. The fifth one is say all proceedings are strictly meant to be held in camera. Near say held in camera, not just say obie. It is our committee decisions are what we take. Ye bi se bisansem ni na ye maga na ni bia nte hwe. Sa part of Mrano mesre enye. I was saying nanka I was say ye hu pa committee no. I was say tena se ne ye tin sem we be bisa ne ne hwe answer wo bema. If something like that is going to happen, but Mra ne say held in camera. Obi ante hwe, obi anhu hwe, committee ne bekoso. I say the Chief Justice is entitled to a hearing either by himself or herself, or assigned or any expert, or either by himself or herself, or assigned or any expert on the issues. In the same America, no Chief Justice no committee no was some friend no, and I say well no beka so me ankasa de mean to me mba. Now so may you be say one mra beka sama me. Oh me ankasa de mean to me mba now so me lawyer baba beka sama me. Inti no Chief Justice no one ho kwan so here sa de no. Also the president is then strictly mandated to act according to the findings of the committee. Inti committee no the report no ba to president anymore. Strictly, I was a president of committee na semo work and also di so. The committee no kwaka se Chief Justice no ndi bone mayen yi na eni kwan se president ni yi no. Committee no kwaka se Chief Justice no we di bone yen yi na I was a president no ode akukudru esi ho no di yi no. Also, the president announces the removal of Chief Justice if the findings so recommends. Inti no president no ebe announce say no kware Chief Justice no ye know because say ni eno unti no I was say ye know na no findings no extra ni ye know inti process no any. Now I don't know what you think about the process. Does it look cumbersome? Do you think say a long, or you think say NDC4 they can do this? Now if the NDC does this, issues no NSA, what are the issues they are going to raise against the Chief Justice? Obi asemo awababeka ni bakra awababetro asemo awababeka NSA ono the issue NSA the Chief Justice no a partisan. The entire worker say Chief Justice near partisan and they say afenyuma kin case no. Chief Justice ne file application 18th of October 2024. Chief Justice ne notify Chief Justice notified of the processes same day. Chief Justice empaneled the bench the same day. Case was heard the same day. Judgment was given the same day. Intino ebi mo ansemo a omo canon. So basically that is what is going on. If the Chief Justice is to be removed, these are the processes. Now, I don't know. I think say if and this is me speaking, and I'm let me be a bit I'm not going to say diabolical, but this is me speaking anyway, right? This is me speaking. I want you to understand certain things. I think say NDC for be Chief Justice na. Utie me. Say NDC for be Chief Justice na. No more basing on decisions that will take here, rulings we will rule here. It will serve as a terrible precedence. Because then what it means is that future government be banana trimo dia. You see, it will be a pressure on the Chief Justice. Say ye di enkrana ya semba we ni mo adima yen. Yen na yen him say cases be bra kwa koto Chief Justice ni mo a ruling na abano. It seemed partisan. I mean, no one is going to lie in this country. Every single person is going to tell you. But I see one thing I show the judges no NSA. Oko kan omega say well that's what they thought. And an opinion in so there. It's like gnosis. Obia one there. Because someone doesn't agree with you doesn't mean that the person is entirely partisan. You don't really have enough evidence to show that the person is partisan until maybe solid proof be. If the NDC remove Chief Justice based on ruling on certain cases that one it will be a problem. I think if the NDC want to remove the Chief Justice, it will be on maybe some procurement breaches. Maybe issues like that. I don't know. If waye bibi saa we di boni bi saa dia ene de no problem and now we breachy ebia code of conducts bi as a chief justice no assembly ba send ye wose mudi no ana procedure bi anke wose mu follow wakwa ko breachy sa code of conduct ne dia that one dey able to me ayewe into your NDC ni now person petition that is where I will recommend you to look at. Don't go and be looking at the cases I would do here. That one, it will not be solid grounds. It will not. And that is the truth I'm telling you. But if you find evidence that in Sembi, omokoko procure nyamabi, Chief Justice na ma yen follow procedure no. Omokoko ye nyamabi, Chief Justice na ma yen di so, sa nyamane dia, ene dia, solid. And I mean, she would hope say ebia wondi boni bisa, but say we di boni procurement breaches ne sa nyama bisa ne dia na so be ye she papa. Ati ase no. And that's exactly how the NDC is going to get Jimensa. That's exactly how the NDC is going to get her. NDC for ensake Jimensa and a Jimensa ye mpameno because of ebia the decisions bio. Eye based on sa nyama no because those things are solid. Those things are against the law. Ati ase intino. That is my advice to the NDC. Into more mobile to me a digging, no. It is time for you to do some digging on the Chief Justice. Say onye bonibia and onye bibi sabia na. Well, listen. I strongly believe anyway, my main can't because me can't cry and Grofobega, so I'm being on the side of the Chief Justice. But that's what I've said. Montreal, what your comment box the moment I say.